Do you want to know how to delete your account on the AliExpress app? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to easily delete your account. First, open the AliExpress app on your device. Then go to the Account page. Next, tap on the Settings icon, look for the Profile option. Then choose Delete Account. Some information and warnings regarding account deletion will appear. Make sure to read these warnings carefully, as all your data and previous orders will be permanently deleted. If you're sure, tap on Delete Your Account to proceed with the deletion process. Afterward, a confirmation code will be sent to your email to verify that it's your account. Enter the 6-digit code and press Verify. After completing these steps, check the box that says, "I have read and agree to waive my rights." Then click on Delete Account, and your account will be permanently deleted from AliExpress. This way, you can easily delete your account on the AliExpress app.